Hi, I'm Josh Bluck, the Ag Education Instructor and FFA Advisor for Dina High School, and we do a lot of different things in Ag class and in the FFA. Depending on which Ag class you end up being in, you may or may not get to do all these things, but you will at least get to do some of these things. Things like animal science, plants and soil, welding, mechanics, electricity, carpentry, business, leadership, math, and science. Public speaking, fellowship. Hey, what's up, friend? Competition. And other things that I'm sure I'm forgetting about. Like recognition. Here are just some of our chapter degrees and state degree recipients. And we'll have one to add over here. Right? American degrees. And look at all this cool stuff, trophies and banners, from years past and years to come. But to do these things, we're going to need some stuff. You need a Chromebook, a pencil, something to write on, and a place to keep things. Now, for 8th graders, FFA is optional. For high schoolers, when you sign up for Ag class, you're also signing up for FFA. So don't forget your $5 for your membership dues. So if you want to be part of what, in my totally unbiased opinion, is the coolest class, you signed up for the right one. And if you have any questions, send me an email at josh.bluck@adinalocalschools.com or check out the syllabus and the information posted to your Google Classroom. Have a nice day.